Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize the home screen and themes on Galaxy Z Flip 8. So first of all, to customize your home screen, you have to hold your finger down on an empty space of it. In this menu you'll be able to set any page of your home screen as a main one by tapping the house icon, or you can delete any page by tapping the trash bin icon. You can also add new pages to your home screen, and at the bottom we can see some adjustment settings. Now if we go into micro solutions and micro adjustments, in order to manage the position of your applications, you have to simply hold your finger down on them, and this way you can move them along your screen. In case of folders, we can also enlarge them easily by holding our finger down on the folder and selecting enlarge if you want to have the bigger version, or shrink if you want to have a smaller one. Now if we go to this menu, we'll be able to see that we can actually change a wallpaper easily by going to wallpaper and style and selecting a new wallpaper for our home screen. We can also adjust the themes in the themes menu. To do that, we have to use the Galaxy Themes application, where we can find some cool topics for our device. Then in widgets, we can find a widget that we want to add to our home screen depending on, so you can see the widgets sorted by applications. So you just select an application, which widget you want to add, and then select the kind of widget you want to use. Well, after you hold your finger down on it, you'll be able to position it on your screen anywhere. And then you can also resize the widget by dragging the sides and the corners of it. And the last thing that we can do is go directly to home screen settings, where we can adjust the app size, we can show or hide the app labels, we can show or hide the labels for featured widgets, but this we can only do if we add labels to applications in the first place. We can also change the home screen layout, the home screen grid, the app screen grid, the folder grids, and change the rest of the customization settings for our home screen. So that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.